for this lip balm tutorial, I'm going to be using a beaker. If you do not have a beaker, you can use a stainless plate like this to enable you double boil. So I'm going to have my oil here. I'm using cold pressed coconut oil. This cold pressed coconut oil is finely pressed and it smells so great. We have a lot of them in stock. You can check the description box to see how to purchase yours. The next ingredient is my beeswax. I want to use white beeswax here because I don't want the color of the balm to change to yellow. In case I want a white one, you can substitute your coconut oil for any other oil of your choice, but make sure you choose something that has great moisturizing properties. After this, simply take this to double boil and bring it right back when the beeswax are fully dissolved. By now, this mixture is pretty hot, so wait till about the mixture is about 40 degrees Celsius, and then you can add your vitamin E oil, your fragrance oil, and any other thing you want to add to it before you pour into your container. For vitamin E oil, I use alpha D to cook. And then I went again with my strawberry fragrance oil. A combination of the strawberry and the coconut flavor happens to be a very nice fragrance. And this got my lip balm smelling really cute. So I have pink color and I also have some glitters for effect. I'm quickly going to pour them respectively. Make sure to do this fast so that your oils don't start waxing up. I'll first pour in the clear lip balms into my container, and then I'm just going to add some glitter effects to it. This will actually give it a very beautiful kind of look. If you want it to be shimmering, you can add these smaller particled glitters, but I just like this effect that this gave to me. And then I'm going to add some pink mica pigment into the remaining one to give it a pink colored effect. I've poured this as fast as I can into my containers, and voila, our lippies are almost ready. I'll then take this into the freezer for just 20 minutes to solidify, and then I'll bring it right back. See how the white one with the glitters looked? It looks so fine, nice and beautiful. And the pink one looked absolutely well as well. Please like this video and share it to your friends. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn your notification bell so you can always get my video whenever I upload one. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Take care and bye.